Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see where the major forex pairs analysis for next week. Okay guys, right now what I am seeing in the Euro versus USD, right now it's taking somewhere support. So if it will take a resistance from here, okay guys, then our first target will be this, second target guys, this will be third target, fourth, and at least you can go for fifth target too. Okay guys, if it will come upside, okay guys, and break this, then your first target will be somewhere here guys, second target will be at least somewhere here, third target, and your fourth target guys. Okay guys, we can see next major forex pair, GBP versus US dollar. Okay guys, in GBP versus US dollar, it is continuously only consolidate. After here somewhere it is taken resistance and came down within 2 days. So right now what I am seeing in this is that just you can see here, if once again it came and take a resistance from somewhere here, okay guys, our first target will be somewhere here, and second target, okay guys, these are the two target. Okay guys, these are the two target in downside. We can see also in upside also, if it will break somewhere here and come upside and take support somewhere here, then your first and second target and third and fourth target. Okay guys, if it will goes and taking somewhere here only resistance, then you can achieve your first target somewhere here, second target, third target. Okay guys, these are the three target in downside. We can see the next major pair. You can see that Euro versus GBP, British Pound. Okay guys, you can see that it is right now, it's continuously consolidating right now. Okay guys, if it came once again at this area, okay guys, once again it will came at this area, then you can surely go for your first target will be very small. Okay guys, this will be second target, this will be third and fourth and fifth target. Okay guys, these are the five target in upside momentum. And if it will break this line, okay guys, I will just draw it down. Okay guys, if it will break this this line or somewhere this low, okay guys, this low is broken, this low, okay guys, this line's low is broken, then you can surely go for up till your first target. Okay guys, if it once again taken a resistance somewhere, then you can see this thing. Okay guys, I will just shift it here, so somewhere here. Okay guys, if it will take resistance, then you can easily achieve your first target, second, third and fourth guys. Okay guys, we can see next major pair, US dollar versus Canadian dollar. Okay guys, US dollar versus Canadian dollar, we can see the very nice target we have achieved in this week. Okay guys, right now also it is taking a support. Okay guys, so what we think is that if once again it came and takes somewhere here support, then our first target will be this. Okay guys, our second target guys, our third target, fourth target guys, this will be final and fifth target. Okay guys, we can see in downside too guys, if it will came downside, take a resistance, then your first target will be somewhere here, second target guys, this will be your third target guys, this will be your fourth target guys. Okay guys, this will be very nice trade, and you also go and check out my analysis. I have done analysis also, I have given some trade also in Telegram channel. I have done analysis those also. I'm still bullish in Euro. Please go and check out those things. I have told you every small thing about trading analysis, about that, how I have done analysis and how all are achieved their target. Okay guys, and check out my learning video also guys. I have told you how to draw support and resistance area, trend line, and how you can see the price action also. Okay guys, right now what I am seeing in next forex pair is USD versus CHF. we can see in daily chart, guys. Right now it's broken this whatever this trend line. Okay guys, you can see that this is the trend line. It is right now it's broken. Okay guys, I will make a correct trend line so we doesn't get any confusion. Okay guys, right now we have seen it. Okay guys, we can go for 1 hourly. Right now you can see here somewhere. Okay guys, right now what we can expect is that it will once again come and take a retest from here, or it will take supports from here. Okay guys, our first target will be somewhere here, second target and our third target. Okay guys, I will just draw it this thing also. It will act as a one of the major resistance area also. If it will break, then our second target and third target we can easily achieve. Okay guys, if once again it came downside, okay guys, right now it's breaks its trend line, so I am bullish only in this, but then also we have to see in downside too. So these are your three target in downside too. Okay guys, and why I'm telling you is that because in daily time frame you can see that this is the triangle pattern. After this is breakout, at least I want to achieve here and maximally up till here. Okay guys, I will just draw it to so you can maximally achieve up till here somewhere. Okay guys, up till here. Okay, I will just take it in 1 hourly chart. You can see here guys, this is your first target, second, third, and this will be final fourth target. Okay guys, we will see in some of the downward momentum. Okay guys, I am so much bullish in euro, I have told you also. Okay guys, this is also very nice breakout. Okay guys, we can see next forex pair is AUD versus US dollar. Okay guys, right now you can see that AUD versus US dollar, our analysis in last week also, it reaches our this target and came down. Okay guys, I have shorted here only, I have taken up till here. I have done analysis also in that video, go and check out. I have told you so much learning about it. I have told you how price action and all the things has been worked in our analysis, and also I have given some of the charts in Telegram. You have to take in trade that euro. Okay guys, if you have taken that euro trade, you have got so much nice risk to reward guys, so please go and check out that too. Okay guys, if it will take somewhere here resistance guys, then your first target will be this guys, second target will be this, and third target, and you can easily get fourth target too. Okay guys, maximally what I wanted to say is that your for at least second target only you have to book your 80% guys, and rest of 20% you can achieve your third and fourth target guys. Okay guys, if you have confidence, then you can go for full quantity. Otherwise you have to book your 70 to 80% in second target only. Okay guys, we can see in upside momentum too guys. If it will breaks and come upside once again here somewhere, it take, then our first target will be very small. This is first target, second target will be somewhere here, third, and this will be fourth target. Okay guys, we can see next major pairs, that is New Zealand dollar versus US dollar. Okay guys, right now it is continuously consolidating. Okay guys, this is the one of the major trend line which is acting as a resistance. You can see here acted as a resistance. Right now it came downside and broken the right now the supporting area, but still it will came upside, then take support somewhere here. You have to take here only your position. Your first target will be somewhere here, second target guys. Okay guys, your third target will be somewhere here, and fourth target, and your final target will be fifth target. Okay guys, if it will break, then it will be blasted and it will at least reach the 0.7 triple zero. Okay guys, up till here. Okay guys, so go and see this at least. Okay guys, you can see in downside also, if it will take a resistance from here, your first target, second target, and your third target and your fourth target, guys. Okay guys, you can I am so much confident about it. If it will break this trend line, so you can easily achieve your up till here. Okay guys, I will take it downside at least up till here. Okay guys, 17 0.70000. Okay guys, up till here. Okay guys, up till here. So we can see next euro versus Japanese yen, guys. I am so much bullish. I have told you also. I have that posted also in the telegram. You can check out that analysis also. I have done and posted for you guys. If it will takes once again here somewhere support, then your major first target will be somewhere here, second target will be here, third target, guys, your fourth target will be somewhere here, and your fifth target, guys. Okay guys, I am telling you this is the small target because I am so much bullish in euro, but still we have to take our small target too, because we don't know when market will be reverse. So that's why. Okay, if it will take resistance from here, then your first target will be somewhere here, guys, second target, guys, third target, guys, this will be fourth target, and you can achieve your fifth target too, guys. Okay guys, in upside momentum it will be gives us very nice momentum, so please check out that thing also. Okay guys, two time already it is tested, so if third time it will come, it will definitely break and we can easily reach up till here. Okay guys, you can take continue also if you are confident. Okay guys, right now in euro versus Swiss francs. Okay guys, you can see that this is the one of the trend line. Okay guys, but what I am seeing is that this is the one of the major trend line, but I am seeing here somewhere. Okay guys, somewhere here it is acting as this is the trend line. Okay guys, if it will take support somewhere here, then your immediate first target will be somewhere here, second target will be this, third, guys, fourth and fifth target. Okay guys, we can see downside also, guys. In downside target also you can see that this will be your first target. If it will take resistance, first target, second, third, fourth and fifth target. Okay guys, we can see next and last major fakes forex pair. Okay guys, this is the British pound versus Japanese yen. Okay guys, right now it is testing the resistance. If it will breaks and come upside and take somewhere here support, your first target will be here, second target, third target and your fourth target, guys. These are the upside momentum target, guys. Okay guys, we can see if it will once again take somewhere here resistance and came downside, then your first target will be somewhere here only, second target will be this, third target, guys, and your fourth target, guys. On this is the major supporting area, guys. It will be reversible from here. If it will reversible from here, okay guys, you can go for, if it will act as support, your first target will be somewhere here, second target, guys, and third target. Okay guys, if you like my video, guys, please like and subscribe my channel, guys. And also I have analyzes so much videos, so go and check out those. I have so much learning in there for you guys. And also I will post the US market index and some stocks how you can trade on Monday. Okay guys, thank you guys.